we started talking about vertex form in the previous lesson. We're continuing with it. So the general form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay. Remember, the vertex is at h comma k. Alright? So we take the opposite of whatever this is. So this is negative 2, then we put 2 there. And then k is just k. So in order to get a standard form equation into the vertex, into that vertex form, you must complete the square, which we've already done. And this is why we learned how to complete the square. Or at least why we practice them. Okay. So, to take this standard equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, and turn it into vertex form, we're going to complete the square. Now, the nice thing is, this is equal to 1. This is a 1 here, so this is the easier version. So, remember, what's our first step? We want to move this over, right? Move over to the other side. Okay? So that's our first step. Now, the trick. What goes here? What number goes here? 4. Where did you get that 4 from?
It's half of 8.
Half of 8. Half of positive 8 is positive 4. Now remember, when you write this up here, we're passing that little 2, so what are we going to do to the 4? We're going to square it. So we're going to add 16. Which means we're going to add 16 right here. That's going to be negative 1. Alright? Now, to put in vertex form, we just want to move this back over here. So y is going to be equal to, here's our x minus h, and here's our k. We move that negative 1 over, so we become positive 1. Change sides, whatever works for you. Now, what is the vertex? No. Close. Negative 4, 1. Remember, we take the opposite of whatever that is. Okay, number 2. What's our first step? What's the first step? So it's 27. Oh, very good. So we become positive 27. Now, our second step is a little cheat. What number goes here? Careful. Half of negative 6 is negative 3. When we come up here, we pass that little 2, so what are we going to do to negative 3? Square it. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. Don't forget that. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So we're adding 9 to both sides. That gives me 36. Now, to put this back in vertex form, we're just going to move this over. X minus 3 squared minus 36 and then what's our vertex? Good. 3, negative 36. Way down it. So there's a parabola, and it's the opposite of whatever this is.
Oh, yeah.
So if this is negative 3, it's going to be positive 3. If this is positive 4, it's going to be negative 4. So that means the vertex is way down. Go right 3, down 36. That's going to be the lowest point. So this is obviously a happy parabola. Do one more here. So x squared minus 10x space equals negative 9. Move that 9 over, it becomes negative 9. We do our little cheat. For x here, what number goes here? Careful. Negative 5. This is going to make, yes, 25 here, plus 25 here. 25 minus 9, 16. Now to put it in vertex form, we're going to move it back over this way. So we get x minus 5 squared minus 16. So our vertex is positive 5. Opposite of negative 5 is positive 5, negative 16. Now we're going to do one more and actually graph it. So we have x squared minus 6x space equals positive 91. We move it over to the other side. What number goes in the parentheses? Negative 3. Half of negative 6. It kind of like bounces. Like you take half of this, and we're going to come back up here and square that. So that's going to be plus 9. Plus 9. All right? Equals 100. We're going to move this back over. Y equals x minus 3 squared minus 100. Okay. So now this one's going to be kind of hard to graph because of being 100. First, we're going to count by tens. So negative 20 here, negative 40 here, negative 60 here, negative 80 here, negative 100. So we'll keep it 3, negative 100. That's our vertex right there. So remember, we make a table. We just plug numbers in. We're going to put 3 100 in the middle here. And we're going to just kind of be estimating here.
Is that a 3 or a 7?
3. We'll do 2 and 1, and 4 and 5. Okay? So 1 squared, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 100 is negative 96. So 1 is going to be really close to 100. Two minus 3 is negative 1. Squared is 1. 1 minus 100 is negative 99. So that's going to be even, harder to do, but it's going to be right there. So it's going to be really tight showing that. Okay. 4 is going to be the mirror image. 5 is going to be the mirror image. So negative 99, negative 96. And we know also that if we plug in 0, that would be pretty easy. 0 is going to give us negative 91. So that's going to be kind of here. So it's going to be really a wide parabola. Negative. Sorry, thank you. So it's going to be a really wide parabola.